Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure smart charging with Octopus Energy Go integration, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a compatible electric vehicle and a smart home charger. Next, download the Octopus Energy app on your smartphone. Create an account if you haven't already, providing all necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the Go tariff section of the app. Review the details about the Go tariff, which offers cheaper rates for off-peak charging. Save the information for later reference. Now, proceed to install your smart home charger if it's not already set up. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Ensure your charger is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Once set up, open the app associated with your smart charger. Look for the integration settings in the app. Select the option to connect your charger with the Octopus Energy API. You'll likely need to enter your Octopus Energy account details for verification. After connecting the accounts, check for any necessary permissions. Ensure the smart charging feature is enabled in the charger app. Now, set the charging schedule according to your off-peak hours as outlined in the Octopus app. In your charger settings, specify the desired percentage for battery charge. Adjust any additional features, such as scheduled charging start times. Once your settings are saved, monitor the initial charging session. Check the Octopus Energy app for real-time energy pricing updates. Review your smart charging history to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, refer to the troubleshooting section of your charger's manual. Keep all apps updated to maintain seamless integration with Octopus Energy. Finally, enjoy the benefits of eco-friendly driving and cost savings with your smart charging setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.